Boys and girls, gents and germs, look at this completed Arduino board. Right, we're gonna cut back a little bit and I'm gonna show you what it looked like before it was completed. This is not too bad though. Right, I have another board to put together. This is my Speeduino no2c, which is a lot smaller of a board, right? And I'm gonna get this together with these components, right? And then I can do some testing between these two, and we'll take it from there. See you guys soon. We'll start the next one. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're getting ready to put together the Speeduino no2c, right? I went ahead and took all the capacitors out and I split it up into different sections. Over here are like special, I don't know what the fuck they are, MOSFETs. Over here are diodes. Over here are like printer connectors. Over here are resistors, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically plug all these resistors in first, go ahead and get everything wired up to the board, verify everything's in the right direction. Then I'm gonna flip it over, solder it, and then go from there. Hopefully you guys get to see a time lapse of the soldering process, right? And you guys get to see a completed board before the end of tonight. Okay, guys. So the first set of resistors have been soldered in. Okay, guys. So the first set of resistors have been soldered in. Time for me to get the next set. I held off on these right here, mostly because I'd have to manually solder them in. They weren't just like toss in the pen and twist. It looks like you have to flip them on the other side and solder them from the back. So we're gonna do that next, right? And then we'll go from there.
It ain't nothing like a fist full of cash or a bliss full of the hash that twists like a mustache from end to end, spread it like a rash from talking through your Walkman or at your disco bash. Give me the Tim's Rumpelstiltskin brown, a metal face mask with the built-in frown, a mic to tilt down 100,000 pounds, and see how kilt sound like spilt milk, clown. Cocoa butter on a very ashy day, fam. Ray-Bans out on the islands of Cayman. Or I break it down for the layman. Band-Aid Soleil for the Saint-Tropez. And a can of old gold, too cold to hold, slow your roll. Keep on moving like soul to soul, hold the dough. Like a fool stole pity, y'all, for trying to go up against City Hall titty ball. The black mic is like a red violin. Okay, everybody back to the lab, try again. Rap game like Leviathan, leave bad taste, killing my high like niacin. Stop kidding, middlemen need Ritalin. Hit me with the full tin and gin and I'm a kid again. Keep the bong lighting straight through the songwriting. The supervillain, aka the thong biting, is inviting all to the reciting that's dope and raw. Hoping all y'all come in peace and it's open bar. Tear the roof off this bum barrage clock by the end of the night. Spaz like shot spot. I spilt a shot, made the pen lines runny. A ill plot to 10 times Ben Stein money. Funny how he ripped the scripts with a straight face, with more rhymes than his lines in your database. Placing rappers in endangerment who's reckless with this food for thought, sorta like breakfast. You could mark it off as wreck on the checklist. Wear gold fronts, can't afford no necklace. Should that 10 could go to help build them daycares? Somebody say yeah, pay your fears. Killer herbalizers their shares, and y'all can pay doom and beers.
Came to the shores of America, the sky that's a pillar, the alpha and omega, the home of the beggars, the black settlers who've been beaten, raped, lynched, robbed, and stoned, and called upon the earth for service that they couldn't maintain at home. This dates back to 1555 when they captured the first tribe of men and piled them in a pen 50 feet high. They took them all on the 9,000-mile ride and landed on the shore of a place they never seen before. We read about this inside the ancient books of war. Bondage in stainless steel, stripped of their language, still survived the anguish of slavery, but still remain nameless. Separated to portions and tricked by John Hardy Hawkins and sold on the auction. Tore birth control and abortion. Rulers of the first part became slaves of the worst part. The devil's curse God and reverse God. It turned God to dog and made people search hard. No Finally came to the prophet, a deadly Farad. Short trauma, dropped our mamas off in Bahamas and Barbados, Tobagos, separated us from slave boats. Made our own brothers hate us, from Virgin Isle to Jamaica, Trinidad, Honduras, Haiti, Grenada, Bermuda to Cayman, mental enslavement.
Conquered more dips than the late Hannibal. Terrain gets too rough, I ride the beats like woolly mammals. Smoking shit like Joe Camel. Fatal when inhale, 007, but you still got tail. Q scrambling device must have failed. Spies, thick thighs, and mics get nailed. Lies, deception, military prowess. Bad bitches, tours, and microphone powers. Chemical warfare and mortar showers. Once again blowing up shit like the Twin Towers. Poison rounds for enemies or whoever devours. Holding shit down until the last hour.
Worldwide famine. Poor people demanding that somebody do something soon. And let's examine the facts behind the violent acts, behind the daily gunplay, the cocaine and the crack. Thug season, what's the reason for the treason? Everybody wants to eat, some gotta resort to thieving, believing that a hustle will help them get by. But for every one that gets over, another 100 will die. Will I succumb? Will my heart grow numb? Or will I save the world by using my mind like a gun? Seems a better weapon, cause everybody got heat. I know I carry mine since the last time I got beat. Ain't nothing sweet. I turn a stick-up kid to a soldier, put him down with the cause, make him feel real bolder and more intelligent. Plus aware of the technology. The revolution is grab your shit and follow me.
2000 came and went, 2001 was crazy. People can't deal, fashion go back to the 80s. Got me thinking about my niggas, drinking dark liquor, sparks flicker in my mind. My heart quicker, think about the time they tried to front on a kid. Up in front of Mega Evans, nigga Neil, Juju set the D, rolled up like whatever you wanna do. Damn, nigga Derek locked down, Seth held the spot down, wonder how long he got now. Wow, if it happened today, who would ride? My man Junior got shot, Ray committed suicide, do or die, change the duo live, doing they thing. Rubik's is in Atlanta, LG ready to bang. Kev lost his baby mama, Keeper lost the baby father. Enough to make you say why bother, but no, they tried harder, that's strength. One love to my nigga John. Soon as you come back, you back on, that's where it's born.
Yeah, baby, shit's about to jump off. Waiting for the bus, bringing my man from up north. For like 3 years when he got knocked, since he got caught, pumped up like 5 new blocks. Hold it down for, kept a nigga straight with money on the books. And they bitches is crooks who look out for other crooks. Took him shopping, money in his pocket, he straight. Dropped him off at the wife crib after we ate. Out of state was the next move for me. Had to make that nigga chill for at least 2 to 3 months. Cause once it's on, he didn't care. It's like, slow down, baby, the money ain't going nowhere. Keep in touch though, to show how much your ass is with it. The dough flow is there, and in a minute you can get it. You got to watch a nigga just coming home in this game. Cause on the low, he may be trying to go against the grain. Okay.
Alright boys, so here it is. Speeduino no2c. It's completed. The bottom half is soldered. I still have to solder these header pins to the top, right? And then I gotta order the capacitors to go to the Speeduino V4 board, right, for the Honda Fit. So excited. Next steps, I have to buy a wiring harness for the Honda Fit. So I'm gonna see if I can go to the junkyard and pull one of those. And then I have to get a wiring harness for the fz07. And unfortunately, you can't find those at the junkyard. So it's gonna be an eBay order. But it's about $100 for the whole wiring harness. So I'm gonna get a wiring harness. I'm gonna get some sensors to test with. I gotta get me a multimeter, right? But yeah, making progress. So, see you guys soon. And of course, you want to see the final product. And look at this. It's perfect, bro. It fits in perfect. Not bad for my first shot, right? So, I still have to see if I can get this powered on and get the firmware flashed onto it. But, yeah, making progress.